Ibiza a couple of times a year, and we've been doing it for quite a while. Just love the vibe of the island. Very relaxed, very chilled. So what we decided to do was bring a little bit of the island culture back to the boat. So we went to the hippie market over in Ibiza, and there's a lot of craftware and stuff like that you wouldn't buy anywhere else. And yeah, so we brought some of that back, trying to add a bit of vibrant colour, a little bit of a little bit of that hippie type vibe to the actual boat itself. And yeah, we're pleased with it so far. It's starting to make it our own. The colour scheme wasn't our colour scheme, but yeah, it's definitely it's made it more cheery now. Probably within the next few months we'll be looking at changing the layout. So the layout will be going to the front of the boat will be the bedroom at the bow end, and then we'll change the saloon and turn the log burn around, and that will be where the bedroom area is now, which just seems to make more sense to us. But yeah, that's in the future. At the moment we're just enjoying the boat, and yeah, we'll do all that in the future. But yeah, just going to take our time with it.